Hello everybody, how are you all doing? I hope you are all healthy and safe and everything. I'm really worried about everybody in these times, but I wanted to try something new for me, and that is pouring with only paint and water. And the reason that I'm talking to you is I wanted to show you, I'm coming right up to you, is the consistency that I made with the paint and only the water. So that's what I'm going to do. And I also wanted to talk to you about, maybe you have noticed that, but my latest videos have changed a little bit. I don't explain anymore what I'm doing to mix my paint, etc, etc. And that's because, yeah, lots of times people think that videos are way too long. So I decided that whenever I use anything, I make pictures of it and I put that at the end of the video. So if you want to know what paints I use, maybe a link to a recipe, how to mix paint or anything, that's always from now on, it will be at the end of the video. I think that's much more easy. If I have coupon codes to save you some money, that's always below my video, but it will also be at the end of my video. Okay, so this was just paint in a cup and I poured in water, just normal tap water, until I got this consistency. And I think I'm just going to try a Dutch pour a la Rinske Doona, and we just go and see what I get. Okay.